Hello guys, in today's video we're going to use these boxes from Dollar Tree for like a gift boxes. We're going to just take it apart. So it comes with its ribbons, but we're not going to use it. We're just going to go ahead and pretty simple and take it out just like that. So then after we take it out, we're going to take the box and we're going to spray paint them, and we're going to spray paint them in white. So just go ahead and spray paint them. Then after you spray paint, I'm going to use this floral foam, but it's too big, so we're going to cut it in half. And what we're going to do is just try to fit it in the boxes. So just go ahead, put a little bit of hot glue all the way around it, especially in the corner, and make sure to attach it to your box like that. Then I'm going to grab another piece, just measure it to the size, then cut it. Then go ahead and grab your hot glue and put the hot glue around it as well, and then attach it in there. And then we're going to do the same thing to the other side. Then I'm going to take these beautiful branches like red and green. I'm just going to go ahead and cut it very easy like that. So then I'm just going to go ahead and fold it and place it inside the floral foam. So we're going to continue doing this just to fill out the whole box. So just twist it and cut it out, and then just go ahead and bend it a little bit like that, and then place it inside the floral foam. So just go ahead and do that until you fill out the whole box just like that. Then after you fill out the whole box, you can use all the greenery as well, and then just place it around the boxes just to fill it up. After that, we're going to go ahead and grab one of these ribbons. You could get a bigger one, but I didn't have a bigger one. So what I'm gonna do is just cut but just measure it and then cut it out like that. And then I'm gonna use another one and measure it to the same size, and then I'm gonna cut it out. Then go ahead and grab your hot glue, put a little bit of hot glue, and we're going to attach it in the box like that. So just go ahead and use the first string and attach it, and then you're going to take the next ribbons and then just attach it next to each other like that, just to make it like a thicker ribbon like that. And then once you attach it into place, I'm going to make a cute little bow like that, pretty simple, with the same ribbon just like that. Make a cut it, and then after that I'm going to grab my hot glue and place it in the middle just like that and attach it. Then they got this cute little reindeer. I'm going to take a stick, put some hot glue around it, and then just attach it to the back of the reindeer, so I could just place it inside the floral foam like that. Then I'm gonna just go ahead and take these little cute little red balls and place it around. And this is how beautiful, you guys, it turns out. So simple, so easy, and so inexpensive that you guys can do at home. Now for the next idea, we're gonna use the same box, but we're gonna just go ahead and cover it up like that. So after you cover it up like that, we're gonna take a knife, and we're going to make like a small hole. So we're gonna make a little straight line, and then we're gonna take another a straight line in the other side just like that, and then on top cut it out, and at the bottom as well, until we do the hole like that. Then I got this rhinestone. I'm gonna use it this size, so I'm gonna cut it. I'm gonna need two of these, so I'm just gonna cut it into two pieces. Then go ahead, have your black hot glue and attach it like that. We're gonna place one like that from bottom to top, and then place another one on top just to make like a little cross, like a little gift wrap. And then just go ahead and place the other one and attach it into place. Then after you attach it into place, make sure to attach the middle as well on both sides. And for this one is for a better attachment when you attach this ornament that they have in Dollar Tree. Then just go ahead, grab your ornament, put some hot glue all the way around it from top to bottom, and then attach it in the middle like that, guys. Then after you attach it, just go ahead and grab your branches and place it inside the hole that we made early on the box like that. Just fill it up to wherever color or branches you guys have at home. Then they have this ornament Dollar Tree, like a Christmas for the Christmas tree. I'm just gonna go ahead and place it around just to give it that extra cute look. Then I'm gonna go ahead and grab the stick with some hot glue and attach a wine reindeer like we did to the other one. And then I'm gonna have a few branches and place it around like that on each side. Grab your reindeer and place it in the middle. And this is how beautiful, you guys, it turns out. Hope you guys like it. Thanks again for watching Special Creations by Nelly.